Gusto ko kayong videohan kasi ano eh, umaga-umaga kay ganda.
Hi, Nico. Good morning. I love you so much.
Oh my God. May I love you so much pa. Naka-video ka pa man din, Michael.
Ha?
Naka-video ka.
Ano ba yan?
Gusto namin ng pandesal na may cracked cheese, na may fried egg, may scrambled egg,
I want hot milk or coffee.
Where's some?
This is the kitchen boy. What can you offer us?
Coffee.
Naghihila yung bata mo.
Ito ang mga batang tulog pa. Samuel, since you are going to the bank, you're the one who will buy us our breakfast. We need the pandesal. Saan tayo maghanap ng pandesal?
Na may Milo at gatas.
I want hot milk, Momsy.
Me also. Me with Milo hot chocolate. Some.
And Chef, Shamim, you're the one who will make our bed. Our bed. My bed, bread. I'm sleepy. Zaki, I said bed, not bread.
It's bad.
Oh my gosh. Tulog pa ako. Chef, you will make us bread. A very hot bread. But I will make a hot water first. Because I made it empty, huh? Don't worry.
No,
I will... Yeah, ma'am, are we going to make bread now? Chef Shamim is asking because he don't have stock yet.
By kubus. It's then also with hot dog. You know hot dog?
This is my juice bar. Look. This is my juice bar now.
Ilan pa yung GH for today? Sabi?
Nakakalat pang aking mga basahan. And the glasses are not yet wiped yet.
You should eat first before work.
I will put it here so I can see myself. Wait! Zaki! Mukha pa akong bruha, no? I will comb my hair. Momsy, where's my comb?
Isang parang ang sarap ng Milo. Meron ba sa Carrefour?
Don't stop it! Because I'm not yet finished. I have a baon from Dragon. Their stop meal? Yeah. Make a CCTV camera for the money she's counting.
Ang kulit ni Saki.
Zaki, I promised you yesterday that I will make lemon with milk for you.
Yeah.
So you need to make us a very, very delicious breakfast. Because that is our energy for today. Energy giving breakfast.
Ooh.
Ooh, too much money for our breakfast only. My gosh.
I do magic for you.
Oh, magic!
I eat all and go.
Chocolate. Walang nga kasama, nag-breakfast ka na pala, kaya bahala na tayo sa buhay
Bahala na
natin.
tayo sa buhay natin sa bahay.
Sige ha, huwag kang ano ha.
Huwag ka kakain.